Simple, but not easy. The answer to the problem is simple, but not easy. As a hair transplant clinic owner, you're wearing too many hats: hiring, outsourcing, planning, marketing, learning to grow your business, and somewhere in there, finding time for family, friends, and fun. You answer calls, but let's face it, you miss some when you're busy. That's a huge amount of lost revenue. Just 2 missed calls a day? That's 40 missed opportunities every month. Even if your conversion rate into sales is poor, at just 50%, you've lost 20 patients. Over a year? That's 240 patients. How much in lost revenue is that for you? You can now use a calculator to find out. You might have a receptionist, but they have only 2 ears and 2 hands, just like you. They miss calls too, plus go on lunch breaks, call in sick, or, let's be honest, they might be scrolling through Facebook and Instagram during working hours. And you are relying on your voicemail? Most people don't leave a voicemail. They simply hang up if you don't answer right away. In fact, 85% of them won't call back, ever. You've lost them for good. That's a permanent loss, going to your competitor. But there's a way to solve this problem. The new way to recover these missed opportunities and convert them into paying patients. In our next video, we'll share with you how we did it. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar, signing off at callstobook.com. Connect with us on LinkedIn to learn more about recovering lost revenue and transforming your business. Reply, calculator, to check your potential increase in revenue.